Hey you guys, what's up? It's Alicia. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have partnered with Bio to share my simple and easy cleaning routine. This is what I do on a daily basis to keep my home clean and organized and just mess free. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first I start by tidying things up. Typically I'll start in the kitchen area because I find that's where the most work needs to go. So I'll start downstairs in the kitchen and start putting things away, taking stuff out of the dish rack, putting those things away, putting anything that may be sitting out on the counter that shouldn't be there, putting all those different things away, and then also emptying the dishwasher. I had just ran it that morning, so once I run the dishwasher, I immediately empty it so that way I can start putting new, dirty dishes in there. So that's really all I'm doing is just tidying up and putting everything in its proper place. Once I've emptied the dishwasher, I'll go ahead and put all the dirty dishes that I did use that day into the dishwasher. For me, it's just easier to put all the dirty dishes away immediately, so that way I don't have to look at them, I don't have to see them, they're out of sight. Once I tidy up, I wipe my counters off with the VO Active Probiotic Surface Cleaner. This cleaner has become a new favorite of mine, and I'm so excited to use a product that is not only effective, but keeps working even when I can't. The VO comes in 2 scents, apple and jasmine, which is what I'm using now, and also citrus blossom. And y'all, the apple and jasmine scent smells amazing and is perfect for this time of the year. So good. It is unique because it is made of a combination of surfactants and active probiotics. Traditional cleaning products do not use active probiotics and consequently do not provide a microscopic deep clean, but the probiotics in this surface cleaner works at the microscopic level for a deep hygienic clean and gets down into the places you can't see with the naked eye. It also has a 99% biodegradable formula free from ingredients like chlorine, bleach, formaldehyde, and phosphates. It also has a recyclable packaging made from 100% post-consumer recycled plastic. If you guys are interested in trying out this VO Active Probiotic Surface Cleaner, it is available for purchase on Amazon. So definitely check the links out down below to get your hands on the VO Active Probiotic Surface Cleaner. Again, available for purchase on Amazon. On this day, I ran out of napkins, so I went ahead and refilled the napkin dispenser, and I also added a new fresh roll of paper towels, just so they're there and ready to go whenever I need them. And then I move on to the living room area. This area doesn't need too much TLC because we don't spend a ton of time down here, Valerie and I, but what I will do is I'll kind of walk through and kind of straighten up things. I'll fluff my pillows because I do cringe whenever my pillows are like lopsided or when the cushions just look like weird. It makes me cringe, y'all. So every day I make sure to fluff out the pillows and the cushions, and then I'll put things back in its proper place. Like here I am just rolling up a blanket that I had laying out. Simply just tidy up the rest of the living room area. And then once I've tidied up, I like to vacuum. I don't vacuum like too much downstairs because again it's a simple daily cleaning routine, but I personally vacuum every single day, especially around Valerie's table because there is always some kind of crumbs on the floor and I hate like walking and stepping on crumbs. So I'll vacuum around her table area and then just quickly vacuum around the rest of the downstairs just to make sure there's no food or crumbs or like major dirt just hanging around on the floor. Once I finish vacuuming, I go ahead and move upstairs. And this area is pretty much where like most of my time and Valerie's time is spent. It's in the playroom. So here I am kind of just tidying up upstairs, especially putting all of her toys away. I do my best to get her to clean up as she plays, but some things are going to still be out of place. So I take it upon myself just to kind of tidy up the area a little bit more, put all of her little toys away. And then I like to tidy up my workspace. A lot of the time I find myself working in Valerie's playroom. That little corner you guys see me in, that's like one of my favorite spots to just work. So I had just a bunch of random stuff on the sofa that I had to put away. And then I also need to put away my chargers, cords, things like that, because I don't like those to lay around whenever I'm not using them. And then I will then fluff out the pillows, the cushions, the blankets, just everything to make the space just look neat and clean and organized again. I feel like whenever your house feels neat and looks neat, everything just flows so much more smoothly. Last but not least, I will do some laundry. I kind of made it a habit to do laundry at least once a day just to keep myself from piling all of my laundry into one day. I hate doing like 6 loads of laundry in one day. I cannot stand it. So I'll toss a new load of laundry in the washing machine and then I'll take the clothes that were dry out of the dryer and fold those up and put them away. That saves me time at the end of the week, and I just have a much more clear head knowing that the laundry is progressing. I'm putting things up as I wash them, and yeah, it just makes such a difference in your cleaning routine. Once I have finished up putting up the laundry, I am done for the day. That is my super simple and easy cleaning routine. That routine really does make a huge difference in my day-to-day lifestyle, keeps my house clean and organized. I don't feel so cluttered. This keeps me on a straight path, just super organized, and I love how I feel each and every day after I do this routine. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. And as always, I love you guys. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye, guys.